Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how I can fix Logitech A10 mic loose. So this will be a quick fix. So basically for this one, what you can do is take a rubber band and as you can see, just wrap it around a couple times and it will be nice and stuck. And if you want a permanent fix, so what you'll need to do is basically remove cushion, then remove 4 bolts or screws, and as you can see, you will get something like this. And right here you'll see the main screw where you will be able to tighten up. So this will be a mic screw. So tighten this screw. After that, do reverse engineering and put everything back. And that's how you fix your loose mic on Astro A10. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.